Before we start the meeting, is there any volunteer to lead the prayer? Anyone? We have Yoga, please.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Sir,
Good afternoon. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Don't be shy. Yay, yay, yay. We can see each other and
uh,
also we can get
okay.
encouragement from each other.
In advance, allow me to pray before studying, and I will pray in Buddhist. Buddhist. Other can pray in their religion. Praise be to Triratna, Buddha Dharma Sangha. God bless you today. Hopefully, the knowledge that we receive today can be useful for the community and the surrounding environment. Hopefully, we will given health and smoothness for all activity. May all living beings happy. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you.
I mean, thank you very much, Yoga. It was a very beautiful opening prayer. Last week, ladies and gentlemen, we have enjoyed the performance from four groups. Okay, noted, Talia. And this afternoon, we are going to enjoy another performance from four groups. Let me share my screen because we are going to select the the order of presentation. I'm going to share my screen. Here you go. There are group 1, 2, 3, and 8. The first group is group 1. Group 1 is the first group. Note it. Oh, wait a minute. Group 1. Okay, next. Group 8. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 8. Next. Group 2. And the last one is, yeah, group 3. Let me go back to the class. Okay, so we have the first group is group 1, and then group 8, group 2, and group 3. Now, group 1, you can prepare yourself and you can start the presentation when you are ready. Group 8, please prepare 2 questions. Group 8, persiapkan 2 pertanyaan for group 1, and then later there is one opportunity for other students. If you have question, just hit that raise hand button and group 1 will select you. For those who ask questions, you will get extra point. Okay, group 1, please prepare yourself.
Izin share screen ya, Sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. Good afternoon, Sir Indra, and good afternoon, friends. Introduce us from Group 1. We will discuss about the iPhone 13 Pro Max. We ourselves consist of Albert as a marketing manager, me, Jacqueline, as a marketing plan, Titis as a promotion, Antika as a sales area, and Keisha as a sales admin. Okay, before I continue, I will explain about the marketing plan. Marketing plan is the application of a company marketing strategy which can consist of various ways to achieve the same target in a business. Marketing plan is how you achieve the target of the marketing goals. Okay, next. Next. Okay. Apple Incorporation. Apple Incorporation is a multinational generation enterprise focused in California who design, develop, and sells software like iPhone, iPad, Mac, AirPods, and etc. Apple have a tagline Think Different. The tagline intends to differentiate Apple from questioning and having a exclusive vision from other organizations. This company was established at April 1st, 1976 in California. Okay, next will be explained by my friend.
Next. Hello everyone, I am Rizky Dewi Antika. I am the sales area. My job desk is strategic planning to sell good, do sales and business review. Okay, I will tell you about iPhone 13 description. iPhone 13 is new product released by Apple recently. What distinguishes the iPhone 13 from other iPhone is that the colors released on the iPhone 13 are more than the previous iPhone. iPhone 13 storage, especially iPhone 13 Pro Max, reaches 1 TB. iPhone 13 released on Wednesday, September 15, 2021. Have a new model that iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. That iPhone 13 Pro Max can make your memories more detailed. Okay, next. Introducing iPhone 13 Pro Max include iOS 15 pack new features 6.7 in-case Super Retina LTPO OLED, up to 28 hours with video playback, faster wireless charging. This type of battery is Li-ion 4373 mAh. More detail will be explained by my friend.
Next. Okay. Hey everyone, I am Albert. I am a marketing manager. My job desk is develop, organize, analyze, implement, and evaluate marketing, sales, and promotion management. Introducing iPhone 13 Pro Max camera. iPhone 13 Pro Max have 12 megapixel main camera with ultra-wide telephoto and LiDAR scanner. 12 megapixel front camera with wide mode and 4K 60 fps video recording. A large camera can make the resolution more detailed. The latest technology sensor system makes video more cinematic with a wide camera and a new sensor to capture more light. Okay, next. iPhone 13 Pro Max has various price depending on the type. For iPhone 13 Pro Max 128GB hit the price $1,099 US. iPhone 13 Pro Max 256GB hit the price $1,199 US. iPhone 13 Pro Max 512GB hit the price $1,099 US. And iPhone 13 Pro Max 1TB hit the price $1,599 US. When you are ready to make your memories more reliable, you can only pay start $1,099 US. The result is a fantastic adventure of what you envisioned in your life. Next will be explained my friend.
Hi, I'm Kesha Gracella, a sales admin. My job desk is manage social media. In sales administrator, receive and process sale order online or via phone and email. Okay, now I introducing iPhone 13 Pro Max color. iPhone 13 Pro Max have a 4 color. First, graphite. Second, gold. Third, silver, and last, Sierra blue. Next. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max Cinematic Mode Test. And now I will be present video cinematic about iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Enjoy!
Afternoon, everyone. My name is Titis. As promotion division, my job description mostly dealing with the promotion of a product, such as taking care of direct emails, insert in newspapers, internet advertisement, and endorsement. As a promotion division, I work with the designers and writers to develop a creative team for the campaign. Now let's move on. Next point, which what's in the box when you get your iPhone 13 Pro Max. First of all, of course, you will get an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Second, you will get USB-C lightning cable with faster charging. Third, are free packaging to reduce plastic waste produced on this earth. More often, the last one is the luxury sensation that you will feel yourself when you have it. And of course, which will get 1 year warranty and you can make your memories more detailed. On the last slide, I will share to you the answer about question where should I go to get mine. We can solve this with first you can visit our store at iBox. There are various other types of Apple product available. You can check our website at apple.com/store and also available at your nearest mobile shop. And finally, I like to finish with this inspiring quote from Fairy Godmother, which said, "Even miracles take a little time." From that quote, teach me about the failures I went through would benefit me. So if me and my group have any failures, we are so sorry. And if there is a justification, we will accept it because it will be beneficial for us. To bring us to the end of the presentation, I'd like you to remember these key points to keep your memories with your friends, family, and others in your iPhone 13 Pro Max. From Group 1, we will say thank you so much for your interest and attention. Would anyone like to ask any question? Thank you. From Group 8, uh, any question?
Okay, I am from Group 8. Thank you for the opportunity. So I have one question. What colors of iPhone 13 that selling well or many people waiting for? Thank you.
Okay, I want to ask all of you a question. What makes us have to buy this iPhone 13 with such rapid technological developments? Thank you.
Sorry, Melita, can you repeat the question?
Okay, what makes us have to buy this iPhone 13 with such rapid technological development?
Okay, thank you.
I will answer the question from I'll answer the question about the best-selling color. The best-selling color purchased for iPhone is blue, Sierra blue, because it has a luxurious sensation that is different from other colors. Thank you. Maybe Feby Cecilia Suwita uh, can tell the question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So your group is talking about iPhone, which is Apple product, and as long as I know that Apple does not have any brand ambassador. You know, like other high-end products like Samsung or Chanel, they all have their own brand ambassador to promote their brand. But Apple, they don't use any brand ambassadors. So, but there's a lot. I mean, the demand of Apple product are high, and what does Apple do to to achieve that? I mean, like they don't use any brand ambassador, but why would they still have high demand? Like what marketing plan that they do? Thank you.
Okay, I will ask. I will. Okay, I will answer my little question. iPhone 13 Pro Max have improved battery quality, chipset performance, good camera quality, erasure charging.
Okay, I will answer Feliby's question. Instead of quizzing celebrities to be brand ambassador, Apple invites users of the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and all their products to become brand ambassador. This is because Apple believes that users are the ones who best understand the advantage of each product. And this is the mean of the tagline from Apple to think different. Thank you.
Thank you for the time and screen. We say thank you and see you.
Yay! Thank you very much, Group 1. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give applause to them. And also online applause. Next, without waiting much further, let's enjoy the performance from Group 8. Group 8, please prepare yourself. And then Group 2. Group 2, please prepare 2 questions for Group 8. And then later, there will be one opportunity for other students. Group 8 will choose you. Okay, Group 8, please. You can start when you are ready.
Izin share screen ya, sir. Apakah sudah terlihat?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Indra and friends. First, let us introduce ourselves. We are from Group 8, and there are Melita Victoria, Evelyn Nevada, Yohana Citra Primandari, and me, Maurena Ulipasaribu. Today, we will present about our company profile, that is Wins Mandarin Cake, and the owner is Melita's mom. So the first topic is company overview. First business category is food, especially Mandarin cake. This company established in 2016, and there are no employees in this company. So just Melita's mom who prepared the cake, but sometimes Melita help her mom. And this company distribute throughout Indonesia by ordering in advance through the contacts provided. And last, this is the logo of Wins Mandarin Cake. And the next topic will be explained by Evelyn.
Okay, now I will tell you the next topic, part 2 mission. Next. Goals. Our product have goals, can produce 50 until 100 cakes a day. Values. Our product have values, maintain the quality of the taste of the cake itself. Brand tagline or slogan. Our product does not have a slogan. Now I'd like to move on to part 3. This part will be explained by Melita.
Okay, moving to the next point, I'd like to explain about products and service from Wins Mandarin. Next. For the product category, Of course, it's foods, especially Mandarin cake. Then, for our product, we have many variants. For example, premium Mandarin cake, almond Mandarin cake, raw Mandarin cake, pandan roll cake, and Mandarin meses cake. And the last one, for its service, is selling various types of wheat cakes. Then, further explanation will be continued by Chitra.
Okay, so this is the infographic that we made, which contain the cake menu as described previously. And if you are interested in trying this cake, you can contact the available contacts. And you can also see more information on our Instagram or Facebook Wins Mandarin. Before we end this presentation, let me give you a quote from Thomas Keller. A recipe has no soul. You, as the cook, must bring soul to the recipe. So there is our presentation. We're so sorry if we made a mistake. And if you have any question, you can raise hand, and thank you for your attention.
Okay, the first question is from Irfan.
Thank you for the time. I will ask about what are the challenges that will be faced in the future.
Okay, thank you for the question, Irfan. Mungkin kita tampung dulu ya.
Nice.
And the next question is from Meta.
Okay, thank you for the change. I'm from group 2, and the question from me is, so this is a small enterprise, like a small business, so maybe there are specific, like not minimum, like a small production. So maybe what will you do if you want to make this business like bigger, or what will you do to develop this business? Yeah, that's from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Meta. Okay, silakan Stephen.
So I wanna ask about as you know, there are many types of cakes like this out there. What is the difference or the superiority between this product and the others? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Stephen.
Okay, I will answer a question from Meta. So, to be able to enlarge this business, of course, we innovated. Our innovation is usually in the addition of toppings and packaging. So, it follows the celebration that is happening. For example, during Christmas, we make special additional packaging for Christmas celebration with bamboo box decorated with Santa Claus, and can also be given like green and red ribbons and other following the exciting celebration. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the answer.
Okay, I want to answer Stephen's question. So the difference from our cake and other cake is we don't use preservative and we also use old recipe from Melita family. Is that clear?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I will ask the question from Irfan. The challenge ahead may be that there will be many competitors, so we have to be smart in making variation of the product itself.
Thank you. Nice.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you very much, Group 8. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for them. Once again, online applause and also love. Thank you very much, Group 8. Now we are going to enjoy the presentation from Group 2. Group 2, please prepare yourself. Group 3, please prepare 2 questions. And the other students, you can also hit the raise hand button if you want to ask question. Group 2, the platform is yours.
Okay, sir, izin share screen.
Okay, good afternoon and welcome, I say, to our English lecture, Sir Indra, and all of my friends from Class C. How are you today? Wait, I can't hear anything. Once again, how are you today?
Awesome.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Couldn't be better.
Thank you.
Okay, that's good. So today we are from group 2. We'll present our group discussion about company profile. But first of all, I would like to introduce the members of group 2 because the proverb says you don't know, you don't love. Even though you know, you don't necessarily love. Okay, I'm just kidding. So the member of group 2 are, first, there is myself. My name is Komang Putri Tristiaris Taryanta, and I am the student from Economic Development. Number 2, there is Meta Prachinawati, and she is the student from Economic Development. Number 3, there is Stephen Fendi. He is the student from Accounting. Number 4, there is Ernestine Yowasvino Tusicipto. He is the student from Economic Development. And the last one is Dido Rizky Yoga Utama. He is the student from Management. I'm here to present our group discussion about company profile of JECO. I know, guys, all of you already familiar, right, with this brand. Like, or maybe some of you make a Jeko like to your favorite food. Like me, I can say I'm fall in love with Jeko. So maybe who know, some of you want to send me a box of Jeko. I will be very happy for that. Okay, it seems I talk too much. So I start this presentation. I hope you all focus during this presentation. I start this presentation with company overview. For this section, I will explain about business category and establish. Jeko Donut and Coffee is an Indonesian cafe restaurant chain. Jeko's products focus on desserts, especially donuts. The beginning of this donut idea arose when Johnny Adrian, the founder of Jeko, trying a donut at United States, and he really liked that kinds of donut. So from that, he decided to make his own brand. After all the struggle, finally, he can open his first outlet on 26th of June 2005 at Lipo Karawaci, Tangerang. Now, I'd like move on to next slide. This section will be explained by my friends Yoga. So Yoga, it's your turn.
Okay, thank you, Putri. And now I will explain about employees. In employees, Jeko has a several part in sale. And first, crew store. The crew store has a function to serve customer, and the crew store is divided into two parts, namely the sales clerk and the cashier. Salesman or sales clerk job to organize and manage the arrangement of the sales, to operate and maintain the equipment used, to check and sort expired goods. Cashier. The cashier job is to serve buyer with friendly transaction, record sales money every received. And number two, store manager. Store manager work as a person who responsibility for all activity in a store and usually works to recruit employee and maintain a conducive store situation. And next, distribution. Jeko distribute their food and beverage product. Jeko has distributed from domestic to international brands such as Malaysia, Hong Kong, Philippines, Singapore, Saudi Arabia. And next, branch. Jeko Donut and Coffee has successfully captured the market in Indonesia and abroad, not less at the 275th. Jeko Donut and Coffee outlet have been spread in most major cities in Indonesia and abroad, including 44 outlets in Philippines, 17 outlets in Malaysia, 33 outlets in Singapore, and 1 outlet in Saudi Arabia, and 3 outlets in Hong Kong. And the next section will be explained with my friend Meta.
Okay, thank you, Yoga. And now let's take a look at the mission of Jeko. So we can see here there is a logo of Jeko, and maybe some of people say it's resembling with Starbucks logo. And we can see there is a peacock on the logo, and it represents to the vision and missions of Jeko, and it also represents to the beauty, elegance, mellow, and also perpetuity. The beauty and mellow, it represents to the shape and the taste of donuts, and the perpetuity can be seen as the loyalty of the customers who are willing to stand and line up to get their favorite menu. And maybe next slide. Sorry, Yoga. Next slide. Okay, thank you. And also, there are some visions of Jeko. Jeko wants to be an international and premium brand that serves donuts and coffees. And as we touched on earlier, so they have opened branches and outlets in other countries. And so we can conclude that they have achieved this vision step by step. And Jeko also wants to be a trendsetter of lifestyle in donuts and coffees brand because of the main targets of Jeko are teenagers or young person that are aiming for the modern lifestyle or something that is aesthetic to post on social media. So the design will seem modern and also good looking to taking photo. And next, the Jeko founder, Johnny Andrean. He has become a nice archetype for young people who wants to build their own business. And also, Jeko has become the prototype company for people who want to reach their dreams. that because it is really a motivated story to build a small store until an international restaurant chain now. And next slide, please. And also there are some missions of JCO to achieve their visions. So for first, JCO, they will prepare the premium quality ingredients for all of the menu, so they can ensure the quality of the product and also the taste. And so all of it are harmless and also tasty. And then they also will encourage the employees to achieve the main goal. So then the employees will be affinity with working. And also they will prioritize the customer. So the customer will always be in the first place. So they will give the best service to their customer and always serve everyone with full of respect and dignity. And at last, as the vision, so they want to be a trendsetter of lifestyle in donuts and coffees brand. So they will create a good looking and also relaxing place for their customer to attract the customer. And that's all for me. Maybe the presentation will be continued by my friend, Stephen Frandy.
Okay, thank you, Meta. The slogan of JCO is the best donuts, coffee, yogurt, sandwich, and cronut. Next. Product and services. First, product categories. So I like to share about product categories of JCO Donuts and coffee. First, the special drink from JCO called J-Coffee. Second, we have JCO Donut. As we know, this is the popular menu and available in every outlets. Third, J-Cool. J-Cool actually is yogurt, but it's frozen and tastes like ice cream. Next, we have J-Club. J-Club is sandwich, but in the form of donuts. Last, we have J-Cronut. J-Cronut is favorite menu from JCO, which is combination of donuts and croissants. Next. Kind of product. Now let's move to the flavor of each menu. But I will not explain it one by one. So I just gonna mention the favorite menu from category of product. Start with J-Coffee. The favorite of J-Coffee category is avocado frap and V60 drip. Next, JCO Donut. The favorite flavor like avocado DiCaprio, Oreology, tiramisu, Al Capone, and also J-Pops. Next. Next, we have J-Cool with blueberry jam as the favorite. And the favorite variant of J-Club is katsu and sausage. Last, we have J-Cronut. And the favorite flavor is tiramisu and chocolava. Next section will be explained by my friend Yoas.
Okay, my friends, here I will explain about what services are provided by JCO Donuts and Coffee. At JCO, there are types of service that will make customer feel comfortable. The first is the delivery service, which can deliver every customer order. If the customer's house is still near or within the range of the delivery service from JCO, customer can order by contacting the contact leads on the PowerPoint. The second one is to convey complaints. Customer can submit them via the email list in the PowerPoint. Okay, next slide. Wow, can you see guys, there are so much kind of variants. It's not just donuts, but there are yogurt, coffee, cronut, and others. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's order JCO and try the menu variant. And finally, we are in the last section that bring us to the end of the presentation. I would like to summarize by saying Jeko is one famous donut brand from Indonesia. Its brands are widely spread both domestically and abroad, many flavored and type, making people interested to trying. Before we before we end this presentation, we will give a chance for group to ask we two question or three question from those of you. Okay, if you the first one is from Domitila Melanatitis. Please speak up.
Hello, I am from Group 1. What should I do to register as a JCO employee? Thank you.
Maybe from group 3. Anyone to ask the question? Please speak up.
Okay, thank you. I'm from group 3. I will ask a question. What is more focused on Jeko? Food or drink, or is there something new for Jeko lovers? Thank you.
Okay, thank you the questions. Maybe one more from group 3.
Okay. From your presentation, I will ask what makes Jeko more attractive than other product.
Okay, thanks the questions.
Okay, there are 3 questions now, and maybe you can give us a little bit time to discuss. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Titis. There are 3 ways to apply a job at Gcodonut. First, send via email. Number 2, come directly to Gco office. And number 3, through a website that cooperate and is appointed by Gcodonut Indonesia. Is that clearly yet, Titis?
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Okay, I will answer the question for Vanessa. If I'm not wrong, you asked about what is more Jacob's focus. Is it donut, coffee, or the new variants? Is it right, Vanessa?
Yes, Putri.
Okay, I will answer. For right now, Jacob more focused to all the category from donut, coffee, yogurt, and cronut, and maybe it will especially to donut because the first idea when the Jacob is going out, is it because the donut? Is it answer your question?
Okay, thank you, Putri.
Welcome.
Okay, I will answer the question from Ignatius. The question is, what is make Jeko more attractive from other product? The answer is from we think what makes Jeko attractive is from the taste. There are many variants of flavors, so it is not boring. From the quality, Jeko also provide high quality. From the place, it also very comfortable and the price is not too expensive. Maybe to the Ignatius, it is clear or not?
Okay, clear. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So guys, I would like say thank you for your attention. And also I would like to say thank you to Sir Indra that give the opportunity to present our project. I represent my friend from Group 2. I want to apologize of during the presentation there were words or action that were not present. Just close this presentation with a poem. I readily cook rice. Rice grow in the middle of rice fields. We close this event nice. We would like to express our gratitude. Okay, my friend, that's all. That's all from me. And I say thank you very much.
Yay! Let's give applause for Group 2. A very good poem from Group 2. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the last presentation of Project 3. Let's welcome Group 3. Group 3, you can prepare yourself. And Group 1, please prepare 2 questions. Group 3, time has come. Please.
Hello guys, good afternoon all.
Good
How about
afternoon.
your day? I hope you all fine today.
Amazing.
We are from Group 3 consisting of Juita Friani Sitio, Betran Sorongan, Vanessa Sanjaya, Fernanda Gabriel Ivan, and Ignatius Yudhistira. We here to presentation our company profile about Sumeda Coffee. Next. But before we go into a more in-depth discussion of Sumeda Coffee, I want to invite you to introduce this company. Sumeda Coffee is small coffee shop located at southern of Maguharjo Stadium, Yogyakarta. This is an unique coffee shop which has small boarding house inside the store. Besides unique, taste of this coffee is certainly different from other, because there are various types of coffee beans used and the taste varies from one coffee bean to another is different. The best seller is Kaula Muda. So guys, I only to remind you, don't forget to come at Sumeda Coffee. You can hunting photo with stadium view and aesthetic. Next. In our presentation, we will discuss company overview, mission, product, and services. Next. And now, the presentation will continue by my friend Vanessa Sanjaya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Betran. Now I will explain about a business overview. The interest by consumer in the coffee business is sweeping the country. So, Sumeda Coffee is one of the best choice for coffee lover, especially in Yogyakarta. Sumeda Coffee was founded on October 28, 2020, and our business engaged in food and beverage service. Our business has 3 employees consisting of barista, cashier, and waiters, who will certainly provide a friendly and comfortable atmosphere where customers can receive quality food, drink, and service at low price. The next aspect will be continued by Juita. Please, Juita.
Thank you, Panas. Moving on to the next point.
I'd like to share with you all about Semudah Kopi's mission. The mission of Semudah Kopi is continue to provide a consistent task and treat consumers like a king, so that they always provide satisfactory service. First, goals. Semudah Kopi's business targets are teenagers or young adults like students. Why? Because today, many teenagers have social media where they often post Insta story over product they eat. So it can be the right target that can indirectly market a business or product. Second, values. The value of this company emphasizes quality and affordable prices. Quality because Semudah Kopi emphasizes the quality of its coffee products. And affordable prices by using high quality materials in their products, Semudah Kopi is still affordable for mass customers. Next. Third, how to order. You can buy directly at Semudah Kopi near the Maguwarjo Stadium, and you can also buy takeaway via GoFood. Next. Fourth, the slogan of Semudah Kopi is stop drinking a beer, drink a coffee. Okay, next will be explained by Ivan.
Okay, thank you for the time. After we know the company overview and mission of Semudah Kopi, let's get in various menu of Semudah Kopi. In this coffee shop, there are variety of coffees and non-coffee drinks, as well as snacks that are suitable to be eaten while drinking coffee. The best seller is Kaula Muda. This is a coffee milk made of house blend beans, which is a good mix of Arabic and Robusta beans blended with creamer and brown sugar. Special mix house blend from Semudah Kopi give a delicious taste for coffee lovers. The composition of Kaula Muda consists of palm syrup, milk creamer, ice cubes, and espresso. Relax guys, for non-coffee lovers, Semudah Kopi offers a variety of non-coffee menu. There is sunrise, matcha, chocolate, red velvet, Milo, tea, lychee tea, pinky, orange, and melon. If consumers hungry, Semudah Kopi also offer a variety food menu. There is Semudah Bucket, French fries, nugget, sausage, omelette, and Indomie. And now the presentation will be continued by Ignatius Yudhistira.
Okay, thank you for the time. In this last part, I will explain about the infographic on this slide as a conclusion from the explanation of my friends. Starting from the location on Jalan Jenangan Raya, south of Maguwarjo Stadium, and the place is one with the male boarding house inside. Of course, this is a positive point for the cafe because it will have a lot of buyers, especially for cafe product. During PPKM, cafe is open from 1 to 10 p.m., but any plan to change this time operational, so you can see on Instagram at Semudah Kopi. And then if we see in Instagram, not only drinks, especially coffee, but also sell food as explained by Ivan before. Kaula Muda coffee is the most purchased product, especially by teenager as a friends to discussion. Composition Kaula Muda is palm syrup, milk creamer, ice cup, and espresso. The price start from 80,000 rupiah until 22,000 rupiah. With the slogan, stop drinking a beer, drink a coffee, and we will give our best service. Come and enjoy your coffee. We invite you to come in Semudah Kopi, maybe for discussion or gathering with your friends. And don't forget to try the product because in mission, First President has advised teenager to maintain good communication with discussion or gathering with your family, friends, or other people. Okay, that's all about Semudah Kopi presentation. Thank you for your attention. Any question? Maybe from group 1, can you unmute?
Okay. Can I ask?
Yes.
I'm Albert from Group 1. I want to ask to your group, what makes people interested in coming to Semudah Kopi?
Okay, thank you for your question. Next.
Can I ask?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. I wanna ask, Semudah Coffee is an interesting cafe, ranging from culinary delights to an aesthetically pleasing place to be a photo spot for young people. However, what I want to ask is whether the location of this cafe is strategic. Thank you.
Okay. And then one question from Prayoko Adi. What is your question?
Thank you. Saya ingin bertanya, what makes this coffee different from the others? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Can we request a time for discussion, sir? Thank you.
I will answer question from Keisha. The answer is yes, strategic, because the place Semudah Kopi is near with university and boarding house. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Now I will try to answer the question from Albert. Of course, the Semudah Kopi have offers the taste good, the price is cheap, and the place is suitable for photos of young people. Semoga menjawab.
Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Yoga. Of course, because it tastes good and the price is cheap and the place is suitable for photos and young people.
Thank you. Your answer.
Okay, once again, thank you for your attention and your question. I represent group 3. Apologize if there is a mistake. Thank you.
Okay, let's give applause to group 3, ladies and gentlemen. And also for every one of you. Since everyone has already done the presentation. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And then later you can see the feedback and comments in the learning management system. However, so far, once again, thank you very much. You have done your best in doing the third project. I can see that you do the preparation before doing the presentation. So please check the pronunciation. If you have difficult words, you can check online dictionaries such as Cambridge or Oxford Online Dictionary. And also relax. Enjoy your performance, ladies and gentlemen. Because if you do not relax, your speech, your intonation tends to get faster and faster. So please enjoy yourself and try to manage your intonation. And then the second one, very good organization of ideas. So you have bridging between one speaker to the next speaker, very good. And then menu of main points, very good. And for those who still find it challenging to do presentation, especially using English, please do more practice so that you can kick, for example, so you need practice to kick and to kick, so something like that. Okay, please do more practice. And also I noticed that many of you apologize during the presentation. Please check again about this. Okay, is it the culture, is it the habit to apologize at the end of the presentation? I think that's all my general feedback for you, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please do a reflection after enjoying, after observing your friend's performance. What are the positive things that I can learn, that I can take from my friend's performance? What are the bad things, only a little bad things, that maybe I can avoid for my presentation in the future? And also very good that almost all of you, when you start the presentation, there is no presentate, I want to presentate. Our group will presentate. That's very good. No group say that. Okay, we want to do a presentation, we are going to present. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. And now, if you have seen the information in learning management system meeting 8 next week, have you seen it? Yes. So you can see the guideline for midterm tests. From those guidelines, is there anything that you want to ask or you want to add? Please Don't be shy. Do not hesitate. Raise your hand. Meta, please. Matt.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I just want to confirm and ask a question. So does it mean the mid test we work in group?
Yes, that's right. The same group.
Okay. And sir, about the video, so the content, it contains the maybe some photos or maybe the presentation.
The presentation. The content of
So
the video is the presentation. For example, you can use MS Teams like this one. You can use MS Teams channel. You can make the presentation using PowerPoint or Canva, and then you can play it in MS Teams channel, and then you can record it.
so such as this presentation.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right. So you don't have to meet up maybe from Kalimantan. Let's meet in Java. No, you can use MS Teams channel to record
Okay.
the video.
Okay, thank you, sir. It's all clear.
You're welcome, Matt. Next, we have Changta.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, sir. About the employees, do we only have to mention the job or we also have to mention the name? The employee's name.
The employee's name? No, only the job, okay?
Thank you,
The
sir.
job and also the responsibilities and also top management. But if it is a small enterprise, small company, and you only have like 3 or 4 employees, so please mention all of them. New business,
Thank you,
new
sir.
company, you're welcome. So in this midterm test, your work doubles because not only thinking about the presentation itself, but also the content. Next, we have Putri, please.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the change. So I want to ask for the midterm test. We are made new company. So that means for the company, is it okay if just focus on product or service, or maybe we can choose which one or something like that for the company?
Yeah, for the company, everything. So everything is new, and also the content, you have the history, the employees, slogan, everything is new.
I
So you
mean,
have,
for the company, is it focused for product or company focused for service?
it's
Or
up to
which
you.
one we can choose?
It's up to you.
Okay, thank you.
This company can focus on product, service, or both. You're welcome, Putri. What about the others? Because you are recording using MS Teams channel, so please, you can send the link to the learning management system because usually the size is big. The size is big, so you can share the link in the learning management system as a record that you are really doing the test. And only one member of the groups, okay, upload the link to learning management system. And please, please, please make sure that your face, you are visible, okay? Please cooperate, work together so that when you do the presentation, I can see your facial expression. Maybe you can add gesture, okay? So please cooperate and find good timing to record the video. Maybe early in the morning? No. Or please find the time when the internet connection is strong. Okay, what about the others? Because we are not going to upload it to YouTube, If you want to add like music, I think it's okay. Before the start of the presentation, you can add music or background music. But the most important thing is the presentation itself and also the content. Okay, what about from Adila? Any question, Adila?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. From Angel? Any question?
Not yet, sir.
Not
No.
yet. From Stephen?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay, there is no question. I will be on standby, ladies and gentlemen, in MS Teams chat as usual. If you have any question, if you want to ask about the midterm test, please chat me, okay? If I have the time, I will reply the chat directly. Okay, I think that's all for the midterm test. So next week on Saturday, the 23rd October 2021, Saturday, I open the link submission from 8 in the morning until 6 in the evening. So that if there is technical problem, you still have a lot of time to upload the link. Okay, any other questions? So please, once again, collaborate in this group, because this group will be the same until the end of the semester. You still have project 4 and project 5. So please collaborate, guys. Matt?
Yes, sir. Sorry, maybe one question again. May I ask, so about the video, maybe one person to upload it or all of the members?
Only one person, only one members of the group uploads the link or the video. If
Okay,
you
thank you,
want
sir.
to, you're welcome. If you want to upload the video, make sure that the size of the video is below 200 megabytes. If you share the link, make sure that the link is working. You can save it in PDF. Save it in PDF, okay, the link. Ah, Changta, who is that? Is that your your son?
It's my brother, sir.
Oh,
My little brother.
hi. He has a very nice laugh. Okay, what about the others? Yuda? Any question, Yuda? So you have around 2 weeks to do this, ladies and gentlemen. Please make the logo. Simple logo is okay. But please do not do plagiarism, like you copy the logo from existing company. Please don't do that. Putri, please. You want to ask something? No? Okay. Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can start the discussion about midterm test company profile video. Once again, please collaborate, communicate together with your group, share your idea, and contribute to the accomplishment of this midterm test. Thank you very much for joining the meeting today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to see you again in 3 weeks. Oh my god, because the midterm test is until Tuesday, right? So I'm going to see you in 3 weeks. Okay, thank you very much and see you in 3 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. See you.
You, sir.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
okay, bye-bye. I thought,
Thank you,
Irfan,
Thank
do
you,
you want to
sir.
ask, please?
Thank you,
Irfan,
sir.
do you want to ask, Irfan? No? Okay, bye-bye.
Sir,
Oh yeah, please, Irfan. Wah.
after midterm test, apa itu? Holiday.
Of course not.
Oh.
After midterm test, we will have class again. The midterm test starts next Monday, dimulai Senin minggu depan, until Tuesday, the 26th of October sampai 26 Oktober. Langsung kuliah lagi. 27 of October langsung kuliah lagi. You still have class. Nah, kalau kelas ini kan tanggal 25 UTS. Nah, kita sudah ada kelas pengganti. Kita ada kelas pengganti ya? Karena tanggal 25 kan UTS. Oke. Kayaknya November kelas penggantinya. I will check the schedule again. Okay. Sepertinya Sabtu 30 Oktober Pak ya. Okay, I will check the schedule again. Okay, and I will inform you, ladies and gentlemen. Seperti biasa, kalau ada kelas pengganti, kita buat dalam bentuk asynchronous meeting. Yeay. Hari Sabtu saatnya kita untuk melakukan kegiatan sebagai anak muda. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again. Yes.
One more, sir. When the test run, is there a lesson or not? Or the test?
Oh, saat midterm
Yeah,
test,
yeah.
ada kuliah. No, just kidding. No. During the midterm test, there is no class. There is no classes during the midterm test.
Just when the test in the day.
Midterm testnya untuk semua mata kuliah ya. Untuk semua mata kuliah itu tanggal 18 Oktober sampai 26 Oktober. Itu midterm test untuk semua mata kuliah. Jadwalnya sudah didapatkan kan? Sudah dikirim ke email masing-masing. Nah, pada tanggal itu 18 sampai 26 Oktober tidak ada kelas. Semuanya fokus midterm test. Nah, midterm testnya itu tergantung dosen masing-masing. Ada yang dalam bentuk ujian. Ujiannya bisa di situs kuliah. Ada yang dalam bentuk ujian essay. Ada yang dalam bentuk project, tugas seperti kelas bahasa Inggris, company profile video. Jadi bermacam-macam. Ada yang videonya diupload di YouTube, ada yang macam-macam deh. Is it clear, Irfan? And
One more, sir.
Okay, please, Irfan. Yes.
What's the event on the 20, sir? How come there's no test?
Karena tanggal 20 itu kan harusnya tanggal 19 itu adalah hari libur Maulid Nabi. 19 Oktober itu Maulid Nabi, tapi minggu lalu ada revisi dari pemerintah. Libur tanggal 19 digeser menjadi tanggal 20 Oktober. Tapi ada informasi dari Fakultas Bisnis dan Ekonomika. Saya bacakan ya pengumumannya. Maaf. Sesuai pengumuman dari Wakil Rektor 1, tanggal 9 Agustus, libur tanggal 19 Oktober diundur tanggal 20 Oktober. Sehingga meski tanggal merah, tanggal 19 Oktober ada ujian. Jadi itu ya. Jadi yang libur itu tanggal 20 Oktober. Nah, tanggal 20 Oktober itu tidak ada ujian karena tadi libur Maulid Nabi yang tadinya tanggal 19 Oktober diundur menjadi tanggal 20 Oktober. Begitu Irfan? Apakah sudah jelas? Mungkin Irfan dan yang lain?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Masih ada lagi? Mungkin? No? Okay, if there is no more question, once again, thank you very much for joining the meeting today. If you have any question regarding the midterm test, don't be afraid to ask me via MS Team chat, and I will reply your chat as soon as possible. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Stay